In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay seller account in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're looking to sell casually or plan to make this a more regular part of your business strategy, setting up your account is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your eBay seller account up and running, ready for you to start listing items. First, let's start by opening the eBay website. You can do this by typing ebay.com into the search bar of your preferred web browser. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find a wealth of information and features here, but for our purpose today, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you should see a link labeled Register. Clicking on this link is your first step toward becoming a seller. Next, you'll be faced with the decision of what type of account to create. eBay offers two options: a personal account or a business account. If you are planning to sell items occasionally, a personal account is likely the better choice for you. However, if you plan on selling frequently or at a higher volume, considering a business account might be worthwhile. A business account provides additional tools designed to support larger-scale operations and offers features specifically tailored for regular sellers. Carefully consider your needs and select accordingly. Now, it's time to fill out the registration form. This is a crucial step because it involves inputting your personal information. Begin by entering your name and email address, which will be associated with your account. Be sure to use an active email account that you check regularly, as this will be eBay's primary mode of communication with you. Next, choose a strong password for security purposes. It's a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure the security of your account. With these details submitted, congratulations are in order. You've successfully created your eBay seller account. But this is just the beginning. The real fun starts as you begin to customize your store. Think about designing a logo that reflects your brand. Setting up product categories is another crucial step, as it helps organize your listings and makes navigation easier for potential buyers. You can also start adding your first listings. Remember, details matter. High-quality images and clear, concise descriptions can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. With these setups complete, you are well on your way to starting your own eBay selling venture. Remember to keep an eye on your listings and respond promptly to buyer inquiries to maintain a reputation for great customer service. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your eBay selling journey.